IRS Form 12153 is a request for a collection due process or equivalent hearing. You use it to ask the IRS Office of Appeals for an independent review after receiving a notice of federal tax lien or a notice of intent to levy. Filing it lets you dispute the collection action, propose alternatives like an installment agreement, or raise questions about the amount owed. Individual taxpayers, businesses, and authorized representatives who want to preserve their appeal rights file this form, generally within 30 days of the date shown on the collection notice they received. In the Taxpayer section, enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on the IRS notice. For example, Anna Baker. Provide your taxpayer identification number, which for individuals is your Social Security number, such as 987-65-4321. Then enter your complete current mailing address, including the street. For instance, 123 Main Street, along with your city, state, and zip code, such as Austin, Texas, 78701. Accurate identification details help the IRS match your request to the correct account and notice, and ensure that any correspondence about your hearing reaches you without delay. After completing every section, review your entries to confirm your name, identification number, address, and the reasons for your request are correct and clearly explained. Sign and date the form and mail it to the address listed on your collection notice within the required time frame. Keep a copy for your records and note the date you sent it. A complete, timely request protects your appeal rights. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.